Did I put my oil filter on? Hopefully.
Hey,
What the?
You're fucking dead if you didn't. I'm done with you, bro.
Ain't no stopping me, I drum inside of me. I'm paying for this bullets you gon' get for free.
Cheers, guys. Let's get this engine started, dude. I'm super hyped. Comment below if that's just gonna start right from the get. Fuck it, go over it. And just like that, this fool just put the engine in. Damn. This is the last day. Last day of the build. Damn, it got dark real quick. V just got the tranny out. We just got this braking oil. We're gonna mix it with some 𝖈𝖚30. We'll make sure to lube up everything so it's just, the braking procedure is really good.
Hey, the tranny's been out. He's right here.
Oh, got his ass. I brought the whole setup, speaker, fucking lights.
This was your favorite show?
Hell yeah. Ready, bro?
Yeah.
Did I do this with the keys and your phone?
3, 2, 3.
Oh my gosh.
It literally smacked right. I'm fucking dead.
Oh my
That's
god.
so funny, bro.
Sponsor us.
Hey, sponsor us, Fast Orange.
Yeah, we need it, bro. Hey, we dirty
We
motherfuckers.
have dirty ass hands. Look at this fool's hands.
Eat
They're not
pizza.
even dirty.
That's how you eat fucking pizza. We just got the tranny in. It's just about to start. We're all broke.
I feel that, man.
at
Maintenance is the only way to come up.
Yeah, bro. That's how we afford our 40s, bro.
I buy everything.
Yeah, cash?
Buy everything full, first time. Yeah.
Oh, shit. You're a cash kind
I
of
bought
guy.
my 𝖘𝖚𝖆 stuff all cash.
What the?
Why'd you goop it? You're only supposed to do like the little corner,
Look at this fool. Gets Honda Bond, goops it real quick. We just adjusted the timing. I guess these cam lobes, they have to be facing outwards to the strut towers. He put the dizzy and TDC. The lines line up at the bottom. So he's gonna put the valve cover, oil it up, and we're about to start this bitch.
Let's go.
Let's go.
Damn, this was hung.
Yeah.
Bro, look down.
Oh, this was a horse. This was a donkey.
What is that?
Let's get this shit.
Engine stabilizer.
Braking oil.
Hey, fool. Hey, fool. Hey, we were just with that fool manual. Manual? Yeah. Manual wrestling.
I'm super hyped, dude.
Super
Hikes. Oh yeah, this one's called Little Hikes.
Little hikes.
Little super hikes.
Little super hikes.
I would drink it for the vlog.
What? He's one of those guys. For life.
Drinks it for the gram. Hey, I did this whole swap by myself. I connected this one, and I did this one.
Keep going, keep going.
the way. I'm like over here. You gotta reenact it.
Hey, come back.
You shoveling, fool. You shoveling.
I'm like, starts crumbling and shit. I'm like,
Do the dance. Do the other one.
what other one?
No, I got it.
Oh. I'm just in the back like.
Hey, for the vlog right here.
Hey, cinematics of me.
Nah, we're gonna film that.
Hey, get this for the vlog, fool.
You put a whole ass cord
I just got cinematics of his ass.
Did I put my oil filter on? Hopefully.
Hey,
What
you
the? You're fucking dead if you didn't. I'm done with you, bro.
You just see the oil pouring out there?
Again? Again?
Imagine editing that.
I'd be
Hey,
dying.
I was there at the trap when you did that. That was my oil.
Nah, that was mine.
Hey, don't drop that fucking oil,
gave it
bro.
to
Don't
Hey,
kick
shout
it.
out
Kick
to
it.
C7
That was your
Circuit
fault.
7. Boost Shout out to
This
the
is not your
boy.
video, fool.
Shout out Gamma.
Hella sponsored.
Shout out G Fuel.
Yeah, shout out
That's
G-Fuel.
so red.
Just like,
I like
Hey,
it.
Shout
ATF.
out Dr. Pepper.
just like Buzzy.
Oh.
Shout out 𝖈𝖚𝖆. Shout out
red.
Yeah.
Dr. Pepper again. Shout out Mops. And shout out Wops. You don't got to wop, you don't talk.
It's almost the end of October. It's the end of October.
All the time. You don't got to wop, you don't talk. On game.
We should just talk like that from now on.
For sure.
We understand each other, but nobody else understands.
Yeah, nobody. Remember what we said yesterday?
Deleted.
Still more.
Deleted.
Cousin's like, oh, I thought you said delicate.
Nah, deleted.
What'd you say? Oh my bad, Drez.
Well, I'll step on my toe.
Steady hands.
Hell yeah, bro. I'm not cracking.
I'm not a crackhead, but I have my handshake.
I don't got city hands and I don't do crack.
Oh. Yeah, you do?
I got
Steady hand.
No,
crack baby.
I said,
You're a crack baby.
I don't do crack. I got steady hand.
that's a rat.
You know what I'm saying?
This guy's touching the shit.
Nancy,
whoa!
I don't know what it is.
Chicken and walk off, bruh. I put a chicken in the oven, I make bread.
Ooh.
You know what I'm saying?
Bump that.
Yeah.
You got nuts in that thing.
You like that?
With the beat, you hear the beat in the background?
Celebratory bowl.
Does he cut oil?
Cut oil on a gang. We don't cut oil out here, we cut oil out here, you know what I'm saying? Fucking cut.
She got a dot.
There ain't nothing in here. It's crumbs.
What the? This man, you could come on a gang.
What'd you say?
I said this man, you could come on a gang.
Oh!
Sorry, man. What the fuck? I fucked
no
up.
funnel game.
No.
No funnel game.
No. I was hella. When it was more full, I was way more accurate. What the hell? How does that even fucking work?
Hashtag no funnel game.
I'm sorry,
Hold on.
D. Hey, look, it makes it look like more clear now.
Yeah, hell yeah. Clear coat.
Click on.
Clear coat in the oil.
Bruh, guess who hit me up on OfferUp?
What?
For my hood.
Who?
Who else needs a hood?
Oh, Nelson?
Nelson.
Hey, what's in that shit on the wood?
That's gay.
Nothing.
What's in the wood? What's in the wood?
You see that?
You ain't got shit in the wood?
Nah.
What the?
I've never seen a ground smoke.
It's sizzling up.
Huh.
Just send it then.
At least it's already primed. So let's plug it in. Let's see if it fucking cranks, dude. All right, we figured it out while it was smoking. We forgot to put the other grounds on the other side, so.
Dummyz automotive.
Yep. But it should start now.
Actually, that was all the grounds. That was the ground to the battery. That was the ground to.
Wait, you forgot to install
Dude,
the
we
gas
literally
controller.
forgot. That was the only ground. That's why it was smoking. But
That shit was taking all the load.
yeah, like you.
Was there fuel?
About to change the battery because we were cranking it to prime it, so it probably killed it a little bit, and it has been sitting here for a little bit. So we're gonna change that out. It's almost there. It sounds pretty good. Yeah, it sounds like there's compression and everything. Timing sounds good.
Crank that hoe.
Yeah. Come on. Come on.
You want a channel for it?
That fool.
They're my motherfucking G.